If you reframe your t-shirt business or print shop based on this one rule, I guarantee you'll make more money. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you're at. And like I said in the intro, guys, if you reframe your business based on this one rule, I guarantee you'll make more money. Now, this isn't a new rule. You guys have heard it, and you may not think it applies to your business or really your life or how you spend your time or any of that stuff. But I'm telling you, it absolutely does. So right now, I'm working with one of you guys inside of the six-figure printer blueprint program. And we had to lay the numbers out. And I had to run some formulas based on past clients and past customers. And we put it all in order. I had to combine everybody's orders. I literally had to do it manually. So if you want to work one-on-one inside your business, that is the place. You can go down in the comments, book a call with the team, and we'll make sure it's the right fit. If it's not the right fit for you, either way, we'll give you a roadmap to grow your business and we can get things rolling. So once I punched all of the data, or once all of the data was given to me and I organized it and collected it, the 80-20 rule shined so bright. It shined so bright in what was going on, meaning if you spend your time working on the 20% of the people who is bringing you 80% of the revenue, you will change your business. The first thing that you're going to be able to do is you're going to say, hey, the rest of these people, either they need to grow to hit these revenue amounts that I'm doing in my business. I need every customer to be worth X amount of dollars, or I'm just not going to spend or give as much time and effort. Listen, I'm not saying don't take all of the work. Don't take the customs and different things. We're not at that stage yet. But all I want you to do is to get in the habit of looking at the data. And now when you got the 80-20 rule in effect, you look at the top 20% of your customers, and if the math is mathing right, it'll be somewhere right around 80% of the revenue that you're doing inside your business. Meaning those people should get more of your time. I know a lot of you guys out there are spending a ton of time with this one person to make this custom birthday shirt, but you dream and you desire and you want to make more money. Well, if that is the case, you need to change how you are marketing. All right, I wrote the perfect print shop marketing plan for you guys out there to actually get a framework to how to package up and understand who it is that you should be serving so you can get the most value for your time. One of the first things I talk about is finding the perfect job. Well, that 20% of the people are probably bringing you the perfect job for you. It's less stress and you're working with less people, right? So by finding your perfect job, AKA what job is going to bring you the most money for the least amount of time based on your skill set. And I like to throw this in there, what you enjoy doing, because I don't want to do stuff that I don't enjoy doing, no matter how much money it can make, right? At the end of the day, the 80-20 rule shines bright. Let's take a look at a specific use case. All right, so I got the computer pulled up here. You guys can see. So we're looking at 2023 and 2024 revenue right here. And if you take a look, right now we're looking at the 2023 sheet, and they had about 86 customers. So the 20% of customers came out to be their top 17 customers. Their top 17 or 20% customers had brought in $53,000 into their business. That is 85% of their revenue. All right, now let's go to 2024. In 2024, they had about 53 customers, which turned out to be their top 11 customers. And the top 11 customers bought in $25,000, and it came out to be almost exactly 80% of their revenue. Now, if you guys have this information from year to year, we always think about, hey, we need to go out and find new customers, new customers, new customers. I'm trying to figure out where those top 17 people are, because those top 17 spent more with me in that year than they did in the current year, or in this case, they spent more with me 2 years ago than they did last year, right? And so now we're able to say, maybe I don't need more customers. the first thing that I can do is look at the numbers and say, hey, where did my 20% go? At least I've lost 6 of the 17 because I now have a top 11, right? And now I'm able to look specifically at who's there and who's not there. Maybe I added some new people that could be of the new 20%. And maybe I need to go find and figure out where the old 20% went. And that right there would have actually stabilized the business. And he's probably sitting on 6 figures right there. The second thing that I'm able to do is to say, hey, I'm going to spend my time with my 20%. So let me figure out how I can grow the revenue with my 20% of people. How can I make a $7,000 or $8,000 customer end up being a 10, 12, maybe even $15,000 customer? And the way you do that is you simply ask. So listen to me. If you guys have not been collecting data, you need to start today, and you need to start to analyze this thing moving forward. If you do have the data, some of us have it, we just never actually looked at it. He had to pull this out of, I think it was either Square or Stripe, and we had to manually create the database, which I took care of, no problem. But it is really, really important because it'll help you shape and grow your business, pretty much guaranteed. We're going to make his money back off the program simply off of this. And then we're going to go ahead and figure out what we can do to grow it and scale it to and past 6 figures. Man, I hope you guys take this information and utilize it inside of your business. Down below, I'll link up the perfect print shop marketing plan for you guys who need it. And if you want to work with myself and the team, go ahead down below. There's a link down there for the 6-figure printer blueprint. You can sign up there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This has been your boy Stan Banks. Peace.